You are a dream come true, and I promise to cherish you forever. You do a million little things every day that leave me even more in love with you than before. Your smile means more to me than all the treasure in the world. It is all those special moments with you, the sweet smile, the silly jokes that prove to me you are the one. Each day with you is a wonderful addition to my life is journey. In your arms I have found my sanctuary. I have discovered the true meaning of happiness. You bring joy to my life in ways I did not know possible. Having had the opportunity to love you dearly is something I will do cherish forever. Waking up next to you is the best feeling in the entire world. You are an amazing woman. You walked into my life, and nothing has ever been the same since. You are the first person I think about when I wake up, and the last person on my mind before I fell asleep. I know it is not a competition, but no other woman compares to you. If you let me be your knight in shining armor, I promise to give you the whole world. How is it possible that every moment with you feels like a dream come true? It takes a special kind of woman to make my heart beat this fast. Meeting you was fate, but falling in love was a choice. Ours is my favorite love story. Well, the weekend is finally here, and I want to spend every moment holding those cute little hands. Hi, darling, I have been fantasizing about how we might pass the time before we fall asleep tonight. I can never get enough of you. I cannot believe I found such a beautiful person, a woman who is funny, smart, and intelligent. I have already been caught, but each day you manage to reel me in even more. I cannot keep my eyes off you. Have I told you yet today how much I love you? I have. Well, let me say it once more. I have definitely never felt like this before. You can give me any choice in the world. I will do always choose you. I cannot wait for other 20 years to go by, and I will do still remember what you were wearing the night we meet. I just hope you are as sure of me as I am of you. What was I even doing before I met you? I honestly love being in love with you. I simply cannot go to bed without telling you how much I love you. Sweet dreams, darling. Will you kiss me before I drift off to sleep? I want to cry it with me into my dreams. If I don't wake up now, that feeling asleep with you has made me the happiest man alive. I will do happily sacrifice sleep for some more sunglasses even when I am dead asleep. My heart whispers your name. I love the way you look at me. It makes me feel like I am the most important person in your life. Good night, my love. Wishing you the sweetest dreams as you drift off to sleep. I hope you are tucked in nice and night. I will do see you in the morning. I now sleep is important, but it will be hard to be away from you all night long. I better get to bed. The sooner I sleep, the sooner I get to spend another day with you. Even the sweetest dreams I cannot compare to a waking life with you. I want to fall asleep holding your hand. We go to bed, son. I promise. Just let me look at you for a few more minutes. Look up and see the night sky full of stars. They burn so brightly just as I do for you. I cannot tell you what a privilege it is to fall asleep next to such a strong, beautiful, and intelligent woman. It is a real fragment. It is hard to sleep without you. It is also hard to sleep with you around. Good night, darling. Hope I will do be dreaming of you soon. Let me know if you need anything throughout the night. I am happy to provide you. Look beautiful when you sleep. You may hug the blankets, but spending the night with you is well worth the sacrifice. Do me a favor if you get up before me, wake me up with a kiss. I thought I was lucky to spend the day with you. Now you are telling me I also get to spend the night by your side. Don't be alarmed if you see me smiling throughout the night. It is just something that happiness when I go to bed with you